Hey, it's Adam from Handigraphs. I'm going to show you how to really just use Handigraphs within your API, within your agent, and ask it questions and have some fun with it. At this point, you will have installed it. You can do that by going to handigraphs.com/developers. All that stuff is there. It's super easy to figure out. But let's say that you have a whole bunch of plays, and I will use as an example. I have Blake Snell later tonight. I did these earlier today, but I just want to show you how fast this goes. Can you give me supporting points for and against Blake Snell over 1.5? You can ask it, and it'll pull based on the Handigraphs data. It'll pull it in there. You know, if I want to load up another question of, which. Let's see who's going on tonight. The thing is that I'm doing this later. Oh, okay. What have the Phillies team batting looked like against righty pitching the last 6 and 12 games? You can get that. That'll come up next too. Look, we got it loaded with queries right now. So, which is kind of great. So look, it's great. Already telling me Snell for the over, genuinely wild, but that's obviously considering the whole season. It doesn't know that he just came back from injury, but it does know that it only had one start. It's great. This is also going to tell you some stuff if you want it for a bet. I actually like this play later because he usually walks some guys, and he did that in rehab. But then check this out for the Philly stuff, pulling the stats and stuff right up. You can do this for any metric in our database, exception of the batted ball stuff. But it's great, dude. You're able to kind of get context on everything that you're able to do. Ask it tons of questions. A lot of fun. You could, if you want, get deep down the rabbit hole, red pill yourself, and start to build some things. So let us know. Let CJ and I know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot, guys. It's a big moment for us, so we're really excited about it.